Schalömchen friends!
Schalömchen.
Today we want to show you how to make this electric chopper faster.
It's very easy and it
Yeah, it will work for a lot of more choppers, not only for this one. And yeah, a lot of electric motorcycles have this trick. In other case, you have to cut a blue cable from the
This is
controller.
another video.
But this is another video. This method is much easier than you maybe think. And I will show you now. We have an electric chopper here. It's a 50cc model.
so if you turn it on without the trick, it will drive how fast?
It will drive yeah, 45 kilometers per hour. It's not very fast. It's very
It's
slow,
cozy. It's cozy. This is Mr. Cozy grade.
but it's Mr. Ultra Cozy. And now I will show you how to make this run faster. Step 1:
Wow!
subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, this is very, very, very important.
No. Step 1: buy a chopper.
This is very, very.
Subscribe to this channel.
So
Step 3:
if you don't subscribe to this channel and you will do this method, it will burn your scooter down.
yeah, and if you don't have a scooter,
It will burn your house down.
and if you don't have a house,
You
it will
will.
burn your burn down. So my friends, just put the key in, but just do it like me.
In the hole.
Genauso wie du auch. Now, don't turn the key. Before you do this, full throttle and full brake.
Okay.
It's very important. Now, just look. Now you have here an arrow that the brake is active and you are in full throttle. Just wait 5 seconds and now it's unlocked. It's locked now because it was unlocked before. If you want to make this back, just do it again. The key here, full throttle, brake, wait 5 seconds and release it and you are ready. Now we can show you, but yeah, it's very heavy.
Just like me,
You have to
you have to make a.
das halt irgendwie mal eben hier so.
Das kannst du mal eben nehmen. Also man nimmt den, dann tue ich den weg und dann.
Hast du?
Ich hab.
Okay.
65.
Na warte, der ist im zweiten Modus.
Okay. Ah, jo. Boah, jetzt geht er ab.
So you see, 80 kilometers per hour.
81.
81.
81.
If I sit on this, yeah, 70 kilometers per hour. It's okay. And yeah, that was all how to make this e-chopper faster. I think it was very difficult for you.
Those 2 buttons. But it's not working for every e-chopper or e-roller.
Now I show you what's the bad part at this. If you are driving with this at the street, you have to put the key in. If you don't put the key in, because you can't drive this without a key, just push this button 2 times.
Ah!
Oh, just push this button 2 times. And now you can drive.
Okay.
But if you drive without the key, you can't make it slower fast. And
So you have to
you have
use
to
this
use this key.
To be bulletproof.
Yeah, to be
for
safe
cops.
from the police. But don't drive with this on official streets because it's not legal.
If it was useful for you, maybe you like this video.
Yeah, like the video, subscribe to this channel. If we get 1,000 subscribers this year, we will be very happy.
Yeah.
Because then we can earn money, and we like money.
And next video we will be tuning this moped.
Yeah, if you want it, write it down in the comments below, and we will make this one faster, we know. And I think that was all for this video. Subscribe for more, and ciao.
Ciao.
Ich rufe jetzt den Schlüsseldienst, Rüdiger.
Echt?
Ja,
Mach
ist schon
doch.
spät.
Mach
ich
doch,
muss ins
was
Bett.
willst du?
Die
Ich
Lindenstraße
hau
läuft
eins
schon.
ab hier, mein Gott.